Game can't find its code because of the Launcher module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll show you how to restore that connection and start playing. Don't let Launcher module slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Launcher module, a generic naming convention used by many game launchers, like those for Minecraft or Localized MMOs, to store the localized logic for version checking and executable launching. It manages the transition from the UI to the game process. Because it hooks into other executables, it is a primary target for antivirus deletions. Its absence causes the play button to do nothing. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Errors related to Launcher module DLL often mean the internal localized application entry logic configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Launcher module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Remember that Launcher module DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the diagnostic kit linked below for Launcher module library references. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Launcher module from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.